Have you ever wanted to control your own spaceship? Imagine crafting a control panel akin to a 1970s sci-fi movie using Arduino. This panel comes alive with a switch and interactive lights. Ready to journey into the realm of DIY electronics? Here's the countdown to your own spaceship control panel. First things first, gather all the necessary components. You'll need an Arduino, a variety of LEDs in different colors, a switch to control your spaceship, some wires for connections, and a breadboard to hold it all together. With all the parts assembled, we're ready for the next phase of our mission. Now, initiate the construction of your control panel. Start by wiring the Arduino to the breadboard. This creates the foundation for your control panel. Next, connect the LEDs. Remember, these will be the lights that dazzle us when you press that switch. Speaking of which, it's time to integrate the switch into the setup. This will be the trigger for your spaceship's hyperdrive or laser system. And just like that, we've built a control panel. Great work, crew. The control panel structure is now complete. With the hardware set up, it's time to breathe life into this control panel. Dive into the world of Arduino programming by creating a simple code. This code will instruct your Arduino to listen for a signal from the switch. When it receives this signal, it will turn off the green LED and set the other two lights into a blinking frenzy. Think of it as creating a secret handshake between your switch and LEDs. Congratulations, your control panel is now fully operational. Now let's review the operations of your newly built spaceship control panel. This panel, reminiscent of a 70s sci-fi movie, is a marvel of your own making. The green LED, your faithful standby light, illuminates by default, yet with a press of the button, the game changes. The green light bows out, making way for two other lights to take the stage, blinking into life. With that, your mission is complete. You're now the proud commander of your own spaceship control panel.